a dark roux mixed with crawfish tails. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking real New Orleans food. We are making our real New Orleans crawfish etouffee recipe. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Begin by making the roux. Over medium-low heat, spray a large pot with nonstick spray. To make roux, add 1 part butter. Note: wait for the butter to start foaming before adding 1 part flour. Whisk. As you slowly add flour to the pot. Mussel alert: whisk constantly for 12 to 15 minutes. The roux should look like this at 5 minutes, at 10 minutes, and the roux at 12 minutes. Take a second to give this Creole stew recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other stew recipes. We hope you give them a try. Also, subscribe and click on notifications to stay current on new recipes. This recipe calls for 1 large onion, but I only have small onions, so I use 2. Chop onion. Add onions to the roux. Stir and cook 3 minutes. Chop celery. Remove seeds from. And chop bell pepper. Add celery and bell peppers to the pot. Stir and cook for 3 minutes. Gather Creole seasoning, salt, cayenne pepper, and bay leaves. Add dried spices to the pot. Stir and cook 2 minutes. Grab seafood stock and pour it into the pot. Stir and cook 2 minutes. Do you have a favorite Creole, Cajun, or Gullah recipe? Tell us by commenting below the video. Add crawfish tails to the pot. Combine and cook 8 minutes. My secret to making etouffee pop is to squeeze in a little fresh lemon juice. However, if any lemon seeds fall in, make sure to remove them. Also add hot sauce. Stir and cook 1 minute. The sauce should have thickened. Slice green onions. Add them to the pot. Chop parsley. Add parsley too. Stir. And remove from heat. Show this recipe some love. Like and share it. Also, subscribe below and click on notifications to stay up to date on new recipes. Serve this crawfish etouffee with warm cooked rice. Garnish with more fresh parsley. And enjoy this Louisiana Creole recipe. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.